Hello, Morris Baynett, Technical Director at EcoMaster with you once again, and today I want to talk to you about interpreting your energy bill. If that's something that you have a little bit of trouble with, then maybe today we can help you. Now recently we did do a little demonstration outlining the difference between how many watts an appliance uses and how many kilowatt hours your energy retailer is going to charge you for. So we considered that one of these jugs was a kilowatt hour, and if you haven't seen that, click on the link up here and have a look. That's basically it. However, energy is sometimes a little trickier than that. So for example, in this home we have what's called the time of use tariff, and that means that we have a peak tariff during the day from 7 in the morning till 7 at night, and then we have a smaller tariff, off-peak tariff, between 11 at night and 7 in the morning, and actually all weekend as well. So the jugs that we fill up during the day, during the weekday, cost us about 25 cents a kilowatt hour, and the jugs that we fill up at night or on the weekend only cost about 15. So you can see that by filling up your jugs at night or on the weekend, you're actually going to save some money. Now you might have a different kind of tariff, what's called a control load, where the off-peak component only applies to the electric hot water. So in that case, the jugs that are filled up by your hot water system are going to be at a lower rate, and all the other jugs are going to be at the higher rate. I hope that's straightforward. Now, the thing that makes it a little bit more complicated is if you have solar panels. So, if you have solar panels, while they're in the sun, possibly you can use appliances and nothing's going to come out of the tap. We're not going to fill up the jugs, because that power is going to come from the solar panels. And also perhaps you might have spare capacity that is in effect going to go back up the line, and your energy retailer is going to pay you some fee for that. So I hope that helps. The measurement is always kilowatt hours. It may depend what time of day you're filling up your jugs as to what they cost. And I think you'll find all that in your electricity bill if you look carefully. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.